What up folks, it's Alex here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this DaVinci Resolve 5-Minute Friday video. Now in this video, we're going to have a look at something called Auto Audio Sync. Now Auto Audio Sync does exactly what it says on the tin. It automatically syncs up audio from a video file with externally recorded audio. So if like me, you record with an external microphone, you can automatically overwrite your in-camera audio with your much better quality externally recorded audio. Now before we begin, a quick thing to bear in mind, make sure your camera is recording audio. Even if you don't want to use it, make sure it's there because we're going to actually use the waveform of both the audios to automatically sync it up. Another quick tip, do a quick clap before you start going. It gives a spike in your waveform and it will make it a little bit easier for DaVinci Resolve to align the two files. Right, with that out of the way, let's boot it up and we'll have a look. And here we are in DaVinci Resolve. I'm on the Edit tab. I've already set up all of my project settings. Now I've imported my two video files. I've got an MP4, which is my video straight from my camera, and I've got a WAV or a WAV file here, which is my externally recorded audio. And basically I just want to replace the audio on this file with this file. So if I just have a quick listen, you can hear this audio is a little bit quiet and not particularly high quality. Whereas this one,
Channel and welcome to this DaVinci Resolve 5-Minute Friday video,
is much louder and much clearer. Now to do this you need to either be in the Media tab or the Edit tab. I'm in the Edit tab already, so I'll stay in here. What we need to do is highlight both the files, so you can either drag your mouse like so, or you can hold the Control key on your keyboard and click both, and then you need to right click either of the two files and go to Auto Sync Audio, and you'll be given four options: based on timecode and append tracks, based on waveform and append tracks. Now if like me you're just making YouTube videos using an off-the-shelf camera, then you probably don't have the ability to use based on timecode, so you can basically ignore those top two. So instead, what we're going to select is based on waveform or based on waveform and append tracks. Now the difference between the two is simple. The top option, based on waveform, will replace the audio in this file with this one, and you won't see the original audio. It will essentially bin the original audio and just put this one in its place. Based on waveform and append, we'll keep the original audio there and we'll just add this file as an additional audio track. Now for me personally, I nearly always go for based on waveform and append tracks because it just makes life easier. If Resolve can't sync them up perfectly, you can make minor adjustments much easier. So I'm going to click on based on waveform and append tracks, and Resolve will analyze and sync the audio together. Now once it's complete, it will look like it's done nothing. You won't notice anything different. Then we're just going to grab our video file and drag it onto our timeline as normal. And as you can see, we have two audio tracks. We have this top one here, which is the original audio from the video, and we have the second one, which is vo.wav, which is our externally recorded audio. And if I hit play,
it automatically syncs up audio from a video file.
You can see it's perfectly synced up and we're hearing this audio because it's louder and clearer. Now, if I wanted to delete this audio file, I can hold my Alt key, click that one, and then just use backspace to delete that audio track. Also, if Resolve failed to sync it up correctly and you need to make any minor adjustments, hold the Alt key again, click on your audio 2, and then you can adjust this audio track and make minor adjustments just to make it line up. You can either use your mouse just to drag it left and right, or my preferred method is to use the comma and the full stop keys to just move it frame by frame to make those minor adjustments. And that's it. You can then move this file around, cut it, do everything you need to do, treat it exactly the same as any regular clip on your timeline, export it, and then you're good to go.
Audio. And that's it. Easy as pie. Hope that was useful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any comments or feedback, pop them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.